Game for Barcelona tonight at the ripe old age of 17. I suspect he's got a bright future. Infant Christie struck gold back in 1992. Tonight, Barcelona's latest golden centre stage in a big game once again. And the first promising situation, and the first defending done in there by Jules Koundé. They were almost caught cold as Denzel Dumfries went in. Oh, what a flick! What a start! It's Marcus Thuram. After 30 seconds, it's a quite outstanding finish. The celebrations from the Inter supporters, it's a dream start for them. Little clip ball in by Yamal was very, very enticing. He's looking to lift it in, and there's... and now Çalhanoğlu, that's lifted in towards Martinez and Szczesny, who got a little flick and he's just wide. I think Andreas Christensen has hardly played all season. There's the chance though for Barcelona. This is what they do well. But he can't finish it. Ferran Torres with another important header. There's the shot that flashes right across the face of goal from Ferran Torres, who's had the two best. Opisek as well. And there's a chance, it's a second goal. And this time it's Denzel Dumfries with another brilliant finish. And Barcelona find themselves two, and there's quite a story developing here. Koundé running into Lamine Yamal, but he's kept his composure, kept the ball. Now he sets off and skips away from Mkhitaryan. Oh, that's brilliant! That is brilliant! This wonderful teenager with a shock of blonde hair has just lit up this stadium and dragged Barcelona back into the semi-final with a mesmerising goal. Dropping his shoulder and gliding through, and a finish that all Sommer could do was watch. Brilliant. Absolutely skims Di Marco. Oh, he's hit the frame of the goal. He's hit the frame of the goal. Kirby teed up now for Dani Olmo. Good save, Sommer. Pedri. Headed down by Rafinha. Equaliser. Ferran Torres. Dumfries has got a goal and an assist tonight. That's a good ball in by Bissek, and they're scrambling in there. Di Marco! Well, that's a chance, that. It's another good ball in, it's another header, it's another goal! And it's another one for Denzel Dumfries, who's having the night of his life. 2 goals, an assist, and just like that, Inter Milan. Load of fans pulled back here to Yamal, who lets it run. Oh, that's a great goal! It's Rafinha with an absolute bullet! The Inter Milan lead is gone in the blink of an eye. Rafinha drives it in. Sommer down to hang on to it. And that flash through the wall. Here is the full-time whistle. And the irresistible force has played the immovable object to a standstill here in the first leg of this Champions League semi-final.